Hey everyone, and welcome back to Remember This Tech. In today's episode, we're going to be testing out the Sparkle Titan Intel Arc A770 16GB overclocked video card. And we're pairing that with my Ryzen 5700X 8-core 16-thread CPU with 16GB RAM. We're going to be testing 11 games with rebar enabled, and right after that you'll see the stats for rebar disabled. And we want to test whether or not enabling and disabling rebar with this top of the line Intel Arc video card, does it really matter? So without further ado, let's dive right into this test and seeing whether it's really beneficial to have a system that supports resizable bar or not with Intel's top of the line card. Come on, this is going to be exciting. Let's go! So if you want to remove the FPS cap from Fallout 4 with the new upgraded pack and quests, etc., go to My Documents and Windows System, go to My Games, go to Fallout 4, go to the Fallout 4 Preferences. You want to scroll down until you find the I present interval, and I've already changed this, but you need to change this from a 1 to a 0. Go up here and save that file, close it, and then launch your game, and I'll show you what happens from 30 FPS to this.
No problem. Clean it up, clean it out. Don't want to be bringing the target out under fire. And definitely don't want to slug in your back.
No way, not neither.
What are we looking for? Suspect's male. Was last seen on Dock 27. If he gets away, Command will kill him. In your position. Direct hit.
mind if I do?
I am such a BA.
We must hold!
Get those goddamn shots on target!
Enemy movement near victory point. Rifleman ready!
Uncle Sam,
Relay orders!
new recruits in.
It's on, boys!
Defend our victory point. We're losing it.
Keep your heads down!
Of enemy movement near our victory point.
So my final thoughts on the Intel Arc A770 16GB overclock card by Sparkle. You can tell there's some of the games definitely had a difference with the rebar or resizable bar turned off versus it on. It seemed to normalize the variance up and down for the FPS, and sometimes there was a large swing and sometimes it didn't matter so much, but you can definitely tell that it was acting as a kind of like normalizer, so to speak, and the FPS that you were getting for each game, keeping it within a acceptable frame rate where it didn't like have these huge swings and drops and dips. So you can also see that Jedi Survivor, the drivers might not have been optimized for this game still, but that game's a hard game to play regardless of which video card you have, so keep that in mind. Overall, if you're looking for a good card that can do many things, like for exporting videos and maybe even streaming content, and plus gaming, this might be a good choice for you. And it was on sale at $269 on Amazon at the time of this recording, so if you can get it lower than what the $330 that I paid for, it might be a no-brainer for this quality of a card. The results were interesting, and I really wanted to see whether rebar made a difference or not, and it definitely did, even though this card had 16 gigabytes of GDDR6. And whether or not you should buy a system that's capable, motherboard, etc., of supporting resizable bar for this card, well, we'll let the results speak for themselves. Thanks for watching. Remember this tech.